Hello, this is your host Akhil Navluri, and welcome to the very new reel of the TechoSpace podcast tutorial. So, in this podcast tutorial, like the previous ones, we are going to come up with one of the most interesting and important things of AI, and also that is one of the things that is trending. So, in the previous tutorial, we were talking about AI agents, but this time we're going to talk about AI agents, but with a twist, with a new new character here called MCP. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. So in this case, I can just give an example like AI agent is like Batman and MCP is like Alfred. So I can just say, for example, now everyone always has this preconceived notion, like what is the difference between, what is the difference between an API and a model context protocol? So I'll just tell the clear difference between an API and a model context protocol. So API basically is talks about, you're trying to get, information from external sources, external tools and everything. But this requires a lot of human effort and human in the loop effort. But when we talk about MCP is a little bit different. The concept is almost the same, the output is almost the same, but the process that is involved is a little bit different. I'll tell you how. So when we talk about the MCP, as I just was mentioning, it's like Alfred of Batman. So it assesses the AI agents, or let's say the AI models, to plug the information from the external sources, like external data sources, the external tools and databases. So you might be asking me, what are external tools here? So I can say the external tools can be like code repositories like the GitHub repository. Then it can be like the cloud storage. It can be like live system logs. And when we talk about when we talk about the external data, so this is with respect to the external data sources. And when I talk about the external tools, I can say that they are more like the project management tools. They are like more like like the development environments and all of the other things, like wherever you're trying to get the information. So as I was just saying, there's no, I mean, I understand the doubt between people, where they are trying to get the clear catch. Like, what is the difference between an API and what is the difference between an MCP? API requires a lot of human in the loop effort to get the external information. But when we talk about MCP, it assists the AI agent, it assists the AI models to get the information, plug the information from the external sources. So this is the clear difference about the API and MCPs. So I mean, I'll go a little bit hardcore next time in the following reels and the upcoming reels. So this is with respect to today's reel about the APIs and MCP. So this is your host Akhil Navluri signing off. We would be back with another podcast tutorial reel very soon. Till then, keep listening. Goodbye, stay tuned, and au revoir. Thank you. Chala good.